Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. The city of Agra is one of the cities in Uttar Pradesh that is battling the coronavirus, and we are here at the district hospital to talk to the team of doctors leading the battle against the pandemic. We have Dr. Satish Verma, who's the superintendent, along with his team of doctors here, and we're starting here at the hospital from the emergency ward. Satish ji, ये बताइए कि आगरा उन शहरों में से है उत्तर प्रदेश में जहाँ पर काफ़ी एक कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इरप्शन ऑफ केसेस रहे हैं. आप लोगों को तो 3 महीने हो गए हैं, तो सबसे बड़े चैलेंजेस क्या रहे हैं और आज के दिन क्या है?
सबसे बड़े चैलेंजेस क्यों, डिजीज का प्रोफाइल इंटरनेशनली इज नॉट येट डिसाइडेड हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू स्प्रेड, एंड वायरस का स्ट्रेन इज चेंजिंग, जीनोम इज चेंजिंग. 15 or 16 types of genome have been detected. So we don't know the exact profile, how it will affect the patients. Main concern is the awareness of the people, how to maintain a social distancing and hand washing and all that, clinical hygiene, patient's behavior and social behavior counts a lot.
Can you start with how it started for you here? Because I know there were people who came from Italy, फिर उनके साथ भी जो जानने वाले थे वो एकदम पॉजिटिव हो गए.
हाँ, we were the first to interact with the international traveler who was of Agra origin. He came from Italy itself. Not to name, his surname is Kapoor. So he was an entrepreneur. So he was admitted with a fever and cough and all that. He was admitted in the isolation ward at District Hospital Agra. So we subjected him for the RT-PCR test. He became unfortunately positive. Then as per protocol of the government of India, 3-kilometer radius we mapped up. We examined each and everyone, his family and his factory workers. The journey is coming on. Later on unfortunately we have Jamaatis from Delhi. 104 people. The
Tablighi Jamaat.
Tablighi Jamaat. They were 104 positive. Again, the hospital-borne infection. So case kept on rising in Agra. Challenges were enormous. How to save the lives first. How to avoid the people first. We are running sort of means also. But somehow or the other, now the Agra is comfortable.
So here, of course, we can see the testing machines, the TrueNat machines that the Yogi Adityanath government has imported from Goa. And can you tell us a little bit about these machines?
It's a wonderful machine. We can know the COVID status of my patient who are waiting for the emergency surgery or dialysis or deliveries. Within 1 hour, we are able to identify their COVID status. Then we can manage accordingly. 3 of my patients have got benefited by it. They delivered a baby after seizure. One of the patients got dialysis. One was operated for lump in abdomen.
But you are saying that these kits are able to give you a result in 1 hour.
Yeah. Yes. RT.
Because otherwise it's taking 3 days everywhere else to get results.
Obviously, this will go. Negative is negative. We detect E gene.
Yeah.
E gene is an envelope gene for the coronavirus.
Okay. Can you show us here, sir, what actually happens?
This is the machine where in the sample, we extract the RNA extract. After RNA extract, we take 0.6 microliter through this pipette. We put in a chip here. This machine analyzes.
This chip here?
This is a port.
Okay.
It will come out.
Okay.
So this machine will take 40 minutes to identify its E gene graph. By the graph, we can detect whether E gene is present or not. If E gene is absent, it is negative. If E gene is present, then it is suspected positive.
And what is the accuracy rate? Are you getting any false positives, false negatives?
It's a very rare. If we are not collecting sample properly, maybe technical error. Otherwise, it is 100% accurate.
But you would use this for emergency patients?
Obviously.
But it gives you the result in an hour?
In an hour.
Because the reason I'm interested in this is having come straight here from Delhi, where one of the things we've seen is a crush of patients waiting to get a test. और उनको 12-12 दिन लग रहे हैं एक टेस्ट करवाने में. Sometimes, this is a very interesting thing, sir.
This is very unfortunate. Patients should get a benefit early as possible. There's a 31 patients I have tested.
Yeah. And how long did it take you to test these 31 patients?
It took five days at least.
But you were able to test 31 patients?
Obviously.
So this is the testing protocol that is being followed. by the Adityanath government here in Uttar Pradesh, and we're here at the district hospital in Agra with a team of doctors leading the battle against the coronavirus pandemic. A lot of questions in Uttar Pradesh. There have been questions over whether asymptomatic patients should be tested. There have been questions about whether Uttar Pradesh is testing enough. ज़्यादा टेस्ट होने चाहिए. ये भी बात हो रही है कि as positivity rate increases, is testing going down. तरह तरह के सवाल है. मैं आप ही से शुरू करती हूँ. सबसे पहले asymptomatic patients को लेके पूरी देश में एक डिबेट चल रही है. Should asymptomatic patients be tested or not? और आप लोग यहाँ पे
नहीं
क्या
नहीं,
follow करते हैं?
I was the first to test asymptomatic patient. Unfortunately, he became positive. I used my clinical sense. My team used the clinical sense. If it is necessary, asymptomatic of the positive contact and hot zone, international travelers suspected should be tested. I was the nodal of sampling and quarantine in Agra also. So in my nodal officership, I tested 14,000 people for the sampling. So trend is that कि asymptomatic, if you desire, you can test them.
So you would prefer testing to not test?
Should be tested.
Should be tested. So let me get the other doctors as we walk. Sir, आप लोगों से भी पूछूंगी थोड़े इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर, क्योंकि बड़े शहरों में भी चैलेंजेस हैं, लेकिन हम ऐसे आगरा में आए, सैटेलाइट टाउन्स में आए, सैटेलाइट सिटीज़ में आए, तो डॉक्टर्स और हेल्थ वर्कर्स के लिए सबसे बड़ी चैलेंज क्या रहती है? क्योंकि हम बाकी शहरों में देख रहे हैं कि हेल्थ वर्कर्स की भी शॉर्टेज पड़ रही है, कहीं कहीं नर्सेज नहीं है, कहीं कहीं वार्ड क्लीनर्स नहीं है, तो आप लोगों के लिए सबसे बड़ी चैलेंज क्या है?
नहीं, इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए तो हमारे यहाँ डॉक्टर्स नर्स स्टाफ काफ़ी है और पूरा हेल्पफुल है, और हम लोग 24 घंटे तक ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और कोऑपरेटिव स्टाफ है हमारे साथ में. हमने यहाँ पर अपने कोविड के पेशेंट, पॉजिटिव पेशेंट भी रखे हैं, आइसोलेशन वार्ड भी बनाया है, यहाँ से 10 बजे ठीक होकर के भी गए हैं.
तो मुश्किल क्या है? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. आप लोगों के लिए भी बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम है ये.
नहीं, ऐसा मुश्किल कुछ नहीं है. और जो भी हमें चैलेंजेस या दिए जा रहे हैं, हम उनको बखूबी निभाने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और हम इसके लिए पूरी तरह समर्पित हैं.
आपने देखा है यहाँ पे सतीश जी की हेल्थ वर्कर, जैसे हमने देखा है देश में कई बारी बिकॉज ऑफ इग्नोरेंस एक स्टिग्मा होता है. ये डॉक्टर्स घर जाते हैं तो उनकी कॉलोनी के लोग उनको ठीक तरह से व्यवहार नहीं करते. तो आपके स्टाफ को या आपको या आपके जानने वालों को क्या इस तरह के चैलेंजेस रहे हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल चैलेंजेस रहते हैं, पर एज अ टीम लीडर आई शुड मोटिवेट देम, आई शुड रिवील द फैक्ट्स and this the seriousness of the disease also. I kept on motivating. I am also in the 24 hours in the hospital. I kept them motivating, training them for the infection, for the disease and all that. They are
इस तरह
dying.
का स्टिग्मा आपने देखा है? स्टिग्मा जो कि हेल्थ वर्कर्स को झेलना पड़ रहा है, वो आप लोगों को
नहीं, initially they were hitched. They were just
जैसे कि क्या, like what would happen?
they were just fear of कि the moment they will go to the near the ward or they will touch a surface, they can get infected. So that was so I have to motivate, I have to lead them. Even I took a wiper in my hand. I worked with my sweepers, but there is no hazard at all. The
No,
team is-
describe this. When you took a wiper in your hand, जब आपने कपड़ा उठाया खुद,
Yeah.
आपने क्यों उठाया और क्या साफ किया?
I wiped off my ward, isolation ward of the
खुद
patient.
किया
हाँ,
आपने?
खुद.
आपने कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स जहाँ आइसोलेशन वार्ड की खुद सफाई
हाँ, but with the full protection.
की? What did you want to prove?
There is no fear in serving the patient. Keep the proper protection and serve the patient. That's all.
ओके सर, यूपी को लेकर और किस तरफ जाना है सर? इस तरफ?
This is my isolation ward. I'm putting 2 ventilators there.
हाँ.
Right now there is no patient.
Okay.
There another patient in isolation ward.
Okay.
ILI, and you can
Walk that way. Okay. As we walk towards the suspected COVID patients, what I want to ask you is कि यूपी में एक डिबेट चल रही है कि टेस्टिंग ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए कि कम हो रही है. Is UP under tested?
No. This is totally we are following the ICMR guidelines. They are the 15 or 16 categories. For the Agra, I can say more than 200 per lakh population that are desirable. But we have tested 18,000 patients. So it is ratio is coming 310. So Agra is comfortable regarding that. We have tested enough patients. So no one can put any finger on you are short testing and all that.
And which way, sir? This way. And what medicines are you? Because there's no vaccine, and every doctor is using experimental treatment.
Yeah.
What medicines are you using?
No, we are following the international protocol of the treatment as per ICMR. Patient who are symptomatic, they are given azithromycin, 500 milligram, paracetamol SOS, levocetrin, and supplements in the form of zinc and magnesium and vitamin C. If someone comes, even for the hydrochloroquine is given for the COVID patients, initially 400 milligram twice a day, then 400 milligram once in a week for 3 weeks. For the asymptomatic or symptomatic positive contacts or the positive patients, we can give the vitamin supplements and the hydrochloroquine to 400 milligram morning, evening once first week, then 400 milligram on the same day for another 7 weeks. The patients are comfortable. We have to look for the comorbid illnesses, diabetes, hypertension. SCQ is not given below 15 years or more than 60.
So what would you, sir, identify as your main challenge? That's what I want to understand, that when we come to a district hospital, because we have been to many COVID hospitals even in big cities, and they're running short of beds, they're running short of ventilators, they're running short of oxygenated beds. So what is the main problem that you're facing here?
Only one challenge is there, to motivate my staff. If we are able to motivate my staff, so we are trained that way. Medical personnel are trained that way. We took an oath to serve my patient. If you remember that, there is no issue at all.
What is your staff scared of, and then what do you have to keep motivating them on?
Just because of their family circumstances, active quarantine and passive quarantine, we are providing them the separate room. They will go to their family members only after serving 14 days in a hospital and passive quarantine for 14 days.
Have you had to deal with staff that doesn't show up because they're scared?
No, not at all.
So when you say you have to motivate them, आप कैसे उनको motivate करते?
Every week I took a training. We thank them for they are serving. They are very brave. They are discharging their duties. That was our prime concern. We have got an opportunity to serve our patients. That's the only thing.
Okay, so now are we going to meet some patients?
They are the 8 patients there.
Okay, so we can go in.
पेशेंट को कॉल कर लो बेटा. दिस माय वार्ड. किसी भी पेशेंट को बुला लो एक को.
So if you turn around, you will see staff that is in PPE, and this is an isolation area where suspected COVID patients are going to come out. At the moment, since we are not wearing full PPE and nor are the doctors, we cannot go in. And of course, you get the hospital sanitized a few times a day, sir?
3 times a day.
3 times a day.
You can see the condition of the ward itself.
So can we go till there and talk? Where would you suggest? We'll follow your lead.
नहीं भी क्या नाम है आपका पूछ लीजिए.
हाँ जी, क्या नाम है सर? नरेंद्र. मैं यहाँ तक आ जाती हूँ. क्या नाम है सर?
नरेंद्र.
आप क्या काम करते हैं?
रिपेयरिंग का काम है.
आगरा के ही रहने वाले हैं?
जी.
अभी क्या हाल है?
जी.
तबीयत कैसी है?
ठीक है.
कितने दिन से हैं यहाँ पे?
आज ही.
आज ही आए. तो डॉक्टर साहब से कोई सवाल यहाँ पे पूछना चाहेंगे? प्लीज पूछिए. कोई आपके माइंड में सवाल होगा, कोई डर होगा, कुछ भी पूछना चाहे. इफ यू टर्न अराउंड हियर, यू कैन सी द होल डॉक्टर्स टीम इज हियर, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी मीटिंग, गिविंग हिम अ चांस टू आस्क द डॉक्टर्स सम क्वेश्चंस. कुछ भी दिल में हो पूछिए.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई पूछने के लिए नहीं है, बस डर था बस कोरोना का, और कुछ.
तो अभी क्या आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे अपनी ट्रीटमेंट का? कितने दिन रहने में?
डॉक्टर साहब, ये टेस्ट हुआ है मेरा, कब तक रिपोर्ट मिल जाएगी?
शाम को टेस्ट हो जाएगा. कल शाम तक रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी आपकी. और हम
टेस्ट हो गया,
उसकी रिपोर्ट कल तक आ जाएगी.
कल तक आएगी.
तो हम ये चाहेंगे आपकी रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आए, जिससे हम आपको अपनी फैमिली के पास जल्दी भेज पाए.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, हमने दिल्ली जैसे बड़े शहरों में या मुंबई जैसे बड़े शहरों में देखा है कि इतना बर्डन है कि टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स आने में भी लंबी वेट है, टेस्ट करवाने में भी लंबी वेट है. आर यू हैविंग टू डील विद दैट हियर?
No, not here. We are doing enough testing. 250 plus to up to 400 we have done in a single day.
So no shortage of testing kits?
No, nothing.
And typically how long does it take for a result to come?
24 hours maximum. We have got 2 labs in Agra, RT-PCR. I have got a TrueNet machine at district hospital also. We have tested 31 patients right now. If you want to look at that, you can have a look.
No, that we will. But just if, again I'll come back, you do not believe that Agra or UP in general is under-tested?
I don't believe so.
सर जी, आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ आइए. आपके कोई सिम्टम है?
सिम्टम ये है कि गले में सूखापन हो रहा है।
और कुछ सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं और कोई तो नहीं, बस सूखापन है मतलब और कुछ नहीं।
और फैमिली में और कौन है?
फैमिली में मेरी बेटी है, बेटा है और मेरी वाइफ है।
Now, in such a situation, doctor, would you advise, and I come back to the testing protocols, would you advise that the rest of his family should get tested?
No, other things will depend upon his result.
Oh.
Unfortunately, he is positive, so everything will be tested within a span of 3 or 5 days. Their home and vicinity will be sanitized by surveillance team, rapid response team. Or we will distribute SCQ, other medications also. We'll ask them to maintain the social distancing, use other separate bathroom. They don't have. We will bring them to our quarantine centers.
Would you, left to yourself, last question, like to be testing more? Because ICMR guidelines have also tied the hands of doctors.
Obviously, because we are running a sort of technical staff, so we cannot advise home testing.
But your personal opinion?
It should not be advised for that.
You would
It
not-
should be institutional only.
It should be institutional. All right, Dr. Satish and his team is here at the Agra District Hospital. Uttar Pradesh has been a bit of an outlier while the debate carries on over whether UP should be testing more. We have doctors here on the ground saying here, at least in Agra, they believe that they're testing enough and the situation is well under control. UP's data will be picked up to be studied carefully, especially since it's become a subject of political debates now between states. You had the Delhi Health Minister pointing to Haryana and UP saying, look, they're not testing as much as us. So testing has also become an extremely politicized conversation. But here on the ground for this team of doctors, this is far away from the politics. What they care about is saving lives, and that is what their 24 hours are committed to.